What's up guys, you're in Carfix Garage again. You've seen the chaos this old car came in with. Interior fully restored, paint corrected, hood and the fender repainted from scratch, and now we're taking it to the next level, the details. There are deep scratches all over this car and fixing them won't be easy. So let's dive in and make it happen. With 600 I softened the harsh edges and sand roughly 2 inches around the scratch to level the surface. I'm gonna apply the same treatment to all the scratches on the car. For a clean fade, those micro scratches created by the 600 grit need to be eliminated as well. The next stage follows the same routine except we use 1500 grit instead of 600 and expand the sanding area to about 4 inches. This step nails the perfect transition around the scratch. Alright, here's our car paint. Half the hardener goes in, a bit of anti-silicone, and then we thin it out to get that perfect flow. I've adjusted the gun to lay a precise dense line. If you want a full guide on using or maintaining a paint gun, let me know in the comments. Now I carefully start spraying the base layer, taking my time to cover everything evenly. After about 10 minutes I can lay down the second coat. I've also mixed a bit of clear to boost the finish. Once the second coat is on, we wait a few days for the paint to completely dry, then we finish it off with sanding and polishing. We're sanding the painted panels with 2500 grit to get a perfect surface for polishing. Now it's time to grab our orbital machine and attach a soft pad. I won't go too deep into polishing here because I've already uploaded plenty of specialized polish tutorials. So how's it looking, guys? Can you even spot the painted section? Like the video, subscribe, and stick around for the next episode where we go deeper into the details.